Hey guys, it's Fossilization here, and welcome back to another video, and I'm joined with Adorama. Say hello!
Hello!
And today I have an announcement. But before I have the announcement, I wanted to say, give a special thank you to this person called Jaguar8James. This person right here, a huge shout out to them, because they actually gifted me, come in, wanna load? Purple glossies and a purple long, and I kind of didn't want to take it, but he locked his Jags and left when I said that I'd give it back. So, thank you. Huge shout out to you. Amazing. Yes, Queen, you're amazing. And the second thing is I'm going to be doing a art contest. So basically, the art contest all you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below. Basically, Jamogram me and Animal Jam with the masterpiece saying contest, and you guys have a chance to win wood floors. Would you like to add anything?
Have fun and make sure it's appropriate, please.
Yeah, please, I don't...
Well, if it's inappropriate, I don't think Animal Jam would let it pass, but still, please.
And I also do take, I'll take our contest entries that are not on Animal Jam too. Like if you're just gonna draw my main look like on YouTube, like those speed paints, I would take that too. Not a big deal, because I know some people.
Oh my God,
yeah.
I can do. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, I have ideas now.
Ooh. And I'm also looking for I'm looking for a new intro because sadly, Yo-Yo Animations, if you're watching, I would like to commission you for another one. Maybe because I totally lost the other one, so because I can't edit it in, I need a file. But I really do appreciate you for doing that, and it's a really lovely intro. I really do love it, and I'm still gonna keep it. Definitely amazing. Thank you so much for that. You should really go check him out if you guys need an intro. He's really good.
Wait, did the outro file work?
No, I was gonna talk to you about that after I was finished recording.
God dang it.
Alright, well, I'm going to end that here. I'll probably come back with a stream or a video a little later, but I just wanted to say thank you for joining. Okay, I'm going to end it here. You want to say bye?
Adios, amigos.
Bye!